Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how you would get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it.
Hello. Yes. I just got on to the 8th floor in the Newport building. came out of this elevator. On your right, when you get out, is the stairs. There are 5 units on this floor. The fire exit will be here. I'm here to show you a beautiful 1-bedroom unit, unit number 821. As you walk in, you have this beautiful hardwood floor, very high ceiling, gorgeous apartment. Here to my right, you have your bedroom, a huge bedroom with a window for a natural light. Huge. The door you see here is your closet space. Very big closet space. You have hardwood floors throughout the unit, and this door you see is the door that leads you to the bathroom. You have a full bath inside your bedroom. Bathroom has a tile floor, nice tile floor. Beautiful sink. Nice medicine cabinet. Here you have your toilet here. And also you have bathtub and shower combo. You have sliding doors. This is what the bedroom looks like from this angle. Next, I will head to the living room and show you the remaining space. This is your living room. It's a huge space. The closet you see here has your washing machine. Living room has 4 big windows for a natural light. You have a beautiful view of the city. You'll be watching out to the Spruce Street through these windows. Over there you have your open kitchen. Nice open kitchen with stainless steel appliances. You have a refrigerator, built-in microwave, a gas oven and cooktop, a dishwasher, upgraded countertop. You have a garbage disposal. You also have this small island. You could put in a stool and use it as a dining area. You also have additional space for your dining needs. This is the view from your kitchen. The unit is on 8th floor, so you got nice view of the city. All right, I just showed you unit 821 of the Newport building. This building is located at the corner of 16 and Spruce Street. The address is 1530 Spruce Street. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.